Moi everyone and welcome to Finish Your Plate. Chocolates are of course universally accepted as the most popular Christmas candy. But Finns love their candy, and not just the awful salmiakki as some people would say, but we love all kinds of candy. So candy is also very common at your Christmas table. I have here an assortment of Finnish candies, so let's go through a few of them. First of all, starting from over here, these are called vihreä kuula, or just green orbs. They're really just pear-flavored marmalades. And a couple of years ago, they reached almost like a meme status, and people were using them in all kinds of dishes, and the company was actually very quick to monetize on that. For example, these could be used to fill a Christmas pinwheel. So this one's a very classic candy. It's the pihlaja candy, also sometimes known as kettukarkki, because there's a little fox here on the wrapper. The name is actually rowan tree. I think originally the flavor was rowan tree flavored. I guess it still kind of is. I'm not sure. And then we have a very classic one, which is the Kiss Kiss, which has two little kittens on the cover over here. And if you open it up, it's going to be a hard candy. It's hard, but at the same time it's chewy. It's filled with fruity kind of filling. These ones have like a toffee flavored taste to them, and they're very sticky and chewy. Mints, of course, are also very popular across the world. So Marianne is a mint covered milk chocolate candy. And one of my favorites of all time is the geisha candy, which is a milk chocolate that is filled with hazelnut filling. One candy that I specifically associate with Christmas is the Wiener Nougat, which is this cube shaped, almost like a sugar cube shaped. So it's chocolate that has some almond praline filling in it. There's also a seasonal Dumle flavor for you. Dumle, if you don't know, it's a milk chocolate and caramel filling. And then we have these classic Fazer ones. These ones are blueberry truffle. And of course, there's some salmiakki in here too. These ones I find funny because they're known as the American Pastilli, or American candy, really. I don't know why they're called American, but I guess they kind of resemble like large M&Ms. They certainly have the same kind of coating and same kind of chocolate filling to them. So here we go. Here's a Finnish Christmas candy board. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.